Hey, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be working on the intercooler pipes for this blah by STI here, so come with me. Yeah, so this is a customer's car of mine. We're in the process of doing a rotated 6266. Unfortunately, the way the old intercooler pipes ran, they ran this way into the intake manifold. Well, we gotta switch that now. This pipe right here, not gonna be too big a deal. I'm gonna have to remake that whole pipe pretty much from there up. Hopefully I can reuse some stuff that I've got laying around in the pipe right there. And yeah, we'll go from there. I got this one all tacked up already, so let's fit it. All right, well, I kind of think I have it all done. That's still gotta get welded. I'm gonna put a coupler in there, but so here's this side. Just had to adapt it down and make the bend. Yeah, it's okay. And then over here, I'm gonna have to weld this. Get a little bead roll those and put a little coupler in there. That way they can come out without taking the AC out. That was the biggest thing. So if I welded that, you'd have to take the AC lines off anytime you'd want to fish this line in and out, which I really don't want to do. So I'm going to weld that up, have my buddy Derek bead roll it, and get a coupler, and I think we'll be all set. Yeah, so we're working on the blah by STI again today with the rotated setup, and I noticed this the other day. It's like a gooey tar-like substance, and just for sake of checking things, these injectors don't really look too terribly great either. So I'm gonna send them out to Vane Injection Services. They make engine stands for putting engines in cars. It's a pretty cool company. I'll link them down below, but they also do injector services. It's about I think $125 for 4 injectors. Man, they saved so many injectors for me. I'd give them a try if you need some. But yeah, so we're gonna send these out and we'll continue working on the car today. All right. Yeah. Plenty of room. So all that's left is I got to wire up the flex fuel sensor, the fuel pressure sensor, get the injectors back. I want to clean up some wiring, and then we got to relocate the catch can, and she's good to go. So yeah, let's go from there. Hey, so it's another day and we're back at it again on the rotated STI. I got the downpipe all tacked up. It hangs too low. I didn't like that, so I'm gonna shorten it up about 1.5 inches and see how it goes. But I got all the wiring done for like the flex fuel sensor, the new gauges. If everything goes well, I want to have this car at least running today. So that means mock up the downpipe, weld the downpipe, put the catch can in, and then just reassembly, which honestly, reassembly won't take that long. So let's see what we can get done today, and yeah, if it runs, that's cool. That means it's off to the tuner soon. So yeah, stick around. All right, so here's where we're at. There's still a pretty good amount I can go up, maybe like another inch, but it's not really hanging all that low anymore. And that's a big 4-inch pipe right there. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna weld it. Worst case, if it does have a problem, I'll just cut another inch out of this straight section here and then weld it together. I feel like that's gonna be the easiest way to go about it. Like I said, I feel like we're fighting for more or less a 1/2 inch at this point, which I don't know. So I'm gonna take it out and weld it. Well, I'm gonna do the catch cam first and then I'm gonna take it out and weld it. So come along. All right, so there she is, all welded up. There's a couple gaps in some spots that were a little tricky, but overall turned out pretty good. So now I'm just gonna weld the catch can up while this cools off, and then go install the stuff. And like I said, hopefully have it started here in a little bit. So stay tuned. I just realized I say stay tuned a lot. My bad. It's the only thing that makes sense. So, yeah.